Here's a simple healing potion that works like magic. Stay tuned as I have a free gift for you at the end of the video. So sit back and enjoy your healing journey. This warm, soothing healing tea is full of natural magic. It is a gentle body comforter with no side effects. It is fresh ginger and raw honey tea. So simple, right? It's all real, made by nature, not commercially. That's why it works so well. This tea helps your body so much that you will wonder why it is not on the pharmacy shelves. Real ginger warms your circulation, calms nausea and vertigo, soothes digestion and acid reflux, eases inflammation from the head to toe. Raw honey coats a sore throat and supports immunity, brings natural enzymes and antioxidants to the body. Together, they make a warm magic remedy that supports your stomach, lungs, and overall energy. Drink this in the morning to wake up gently. After meals to ease digestion. Think Thanksgiving dinner? Or anytime you feel chilled, run down, or stressed. And yes, it's absolutely perfect when you're sick at home. It hydrates, comforts, and helps your body heal. Slice 5 or 6 thin pieces of real ginger into a small pot. Simmer the ginger slices in hot water for about 10 minutes. Strain and pour it into your favorite cup and let it cool slightly. Then add a teaspoon of raw honey so the living healing benefits stay alive. High heat will burn off those healing properties. Let the tea cool slightly before adding the honey. Stir, sip slowly, let the warmth travel throughout your body. Here is a mindful spell for when you don't feel up to par. As promised, I have a free gift for you. In the description, I have a link for my healing ginger and honey recipe and spell. Print it out and keep it in your medicine cabinet. Follow the spell and inhale the steam from your cup of tea. Whisper the words softly to bring healing to your soul. Hold your warm mug with both hands. Feel the heat travel into your palms, grounding your energy. Take a slow breath in. Let the scent of ginger rise. Sharp, earthy, cleansing. Stir in the raw honey. As it melts, imagine sweetness easing into the parts of you that feel tired or tight. Then whisper the healing words. Warmth in my hands, calm in my chest. Ginger for strength, honey for rest. With every sip, I gently renew. My body heals, my spirit too. Now sip slowly. With each swallow, imagine the warmth melting discomfort and soothing your core. Close the ritual with gratitude. Thank your body for healing and thank the plants for helping. Now let the tea carry that intention throughout your whole body. Use this spell when you're feeling under the weather, during cold season, when your throat feels sore, after emotional or physical stress, when you need grounding and warmth, anytime you want healing to enter gently. Take a deep breath, sip slow, and let the healing find you. Until next time, butterfly kisses to you, my friend.